Hi, I'm Bhaskar, chairman of the Candidus School. We started the 3 years back this school. Almost now we have 600 students, and the grade of nursery to up to 9th grade we have now. Our program is Cambridge curriculum we are using now. So the transport also very important to the child, because we are collecting from home to school, school to home. That is very priority to us, and the safety, hygienic, everything is important. And we have used the different vehicles also. After that we saw in the Pro vehicle and the Eicher Pro vehicle 52 seaters, that is very comfortable. So after that we thought, why can't you buy this Eicher Pro? We bought it immediately. So after that purchasing the vehicles, we are very comfortable comparing to other company. So comparing to other vehicle, this vehicle particularly is mileage is giving more mileage, and maintenance are a very low maintenance. So as well, maintenance spare parts also is a low cost comparing to other vehicles. Our vehicle is AC buses, very comfortable all the weather conditions. Low noise, and suspension also very good, and flooring also anti-skid flooring we have that. So comfortable, student wise is very comfortable and safe. And the glasses also, safety glasses and alarm system, and many other features has given that one. About our buses, the parents also we are getting the good feedback, and my Eicher is beneficial for us. While diesel consumption and driver how he is running the vehicle, and the maintenance also is getting the indication immediately. Overall, my conclusion is this Eicher bus is very good performance and mileage and comfortable price. Everything is okay. My recommendation is anybody can buy this bus like our school friends.